Hi, good morning. Hope you have done that first project with related to Java program and the second one with related to web application. Uh, I hope you didn't find any difficulty to do that. So today we will be continuing with web application with more details. Okay, so we will simply create a simple a web application which includes some HTML controls. So first I will demonstrate how to do that. Uh, so again, I'm just sharing the NetBeans screen. Now you can see like the NetBeans is there. We are going to create a new project. So when you create a new project, it is a Java web application. So again, click on the web application. Uh, we will give a name like okay, web app to introduce what is called text box. Okay, I may not be explaining all the controls, but still to get some idea about how it works, this is with respect to how you can incorporate a text box. Click on next. Then already I have mentioned that since it is a web application, we need to have a web server. Now click on that. I will be explaining related to this context path in this project. Even though I have mentioned in the last project, I didn't explain. We are not going to choose any framework from this. Click on the finish button. Okay. So the project is created. You can see like web app text with something which is related to text box. So here, since this is a project which I want to demonstrate how to use text boxes. I'm just changing the title as what say text box demo. Okay, and here also the content for the time being I'm just putting text box. Okay. So we have studied like how to execute this. Click on this execution button. So when you click on that execution button, you can see like the project is running, and once the project is running, like you can see the output in the browser. So in the browser now you can see like see text box and it is there, text box demo is there. See, text box demo is here. Since different projects are already running, like the browser is showing in the last time. Hope this is clear. Okay, now we will add some more features into into that NetBeans application. How to create that text box. So rather than simply writing a text box, I'm just going to create a login page. Okay, so that we will be using more than one control in this. So username, you want to create like username will be definitely a input type is equal to, it will be text. Okay, then each control will have a name. So I'm giving just UN. Okay, then it will be having an ID also. You can give you UN. Closing that. Then BR, that means there is a break. Which new line password. So input type is equal to, I give password. Then name is equal to PWD. ID is equal to PWD. Okay, name is equal to PWD and ID is also equal to PWD. Then we will give another break. Then input type is equal to button. Type is equal to button. Name is equal to B login. Okay, ID is equal to B login. Value is equal to login. So now you can see like I have simply created three controls. One is a text box, the other one is a password box, there is a button. Okay, maybe we want to give some BR statement here so that it will come on the, it will give some state lines, and then I'll just click on this save, then execute this. Okay, so when I execute this, you can see like the project will be loaded into the browser. Okay, so see this, click on that. I have clicked on the execution. Now I am stopping the screen and sharing the other screen. See this username, then text box. You can type your username. Password, then text box. Then it's a password box. A star will be coming, and click on login. Nothing is happening in this. So now, since we simply create a text box password and BR is used. So one by one line it is come. We can make it more beautiful, like we just add BR, then at least an H3 heading 3 tag which we are using. Say, for example, this is a login form. And yes, and not only that, I'm just going to put this all these things in the special tag what is called sender. Okay. Now if I click on save this and then execute, okay, it is redeploying it again. Now I will come to the browser. You can see like see it's login, but still you find some having one more line left. We just need to add a BR statement so that you will see the output in a better way. Yeah, after each one, rather than giving just one BR, I'm not now going to give more than one. That means it will have two BRs. Now you can see like the difference. Okay. Now I am sharing that screen. See, it's login form and username. So we know that button means nothing will happen, because button we have to write some special code in either in JavaScript or something like that. Whereas rather than using a button here, we could have used what? A submit button. So that I will also demonstrate. Now you can see like here in this project, see this. What is this? HTTP localhost colon 8080, that is a port number. Localhost is IP address or the domain name. Since this is laptop, I'm getting localhost. And this is the name of the project which I have given, web application for text box. So while creating the project, I have mentioned you something about context paths. I told that I will explain the next, like this session. So this context path is nothing but the name of the project which you are using for accessing your project in the browser. So what is localhost? It's nothing but the domain, like we say rajagiri.edu, it's a domain. What is this 8080? Or very simple way I can say that localhost is a loopback address. That means this PC, same PC always identified with a name what is called localhost. What is 8080? 8080 is the port number. And what is this web app text TV? This is the name of the project or the context name which is used for accessing my project. So this context name and the name of the project, in this case, same, both are same. Now slash and then nothing is given by default, it will load the index.html page. So which we have already seen, like NetBeans is having an index.html page and this page is getting executed. So I hope this much is clear for you. So please try to practice this in how to create. In the next video, I will come with how to send the values to the server. Still, we have not started writing anything of JS. We have just used only HTML and HTML controls. Okay, please practice this. Thank you.